Hello everyone. So today we are going to do exercise 12.1 question 6 and the question is a tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. If the height and diameter of the cylinder are 2.1 meter and 4 meter respectively and the slant height of the top is 2.8 meter, find the area of the canvas of the tent at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. So tent is given in the form of a cylinder. So let's first draw the figure. Let's draw a cylinder. Now they are saying it is surmounted by a conical top. So on the top of it, let's draw a cone. Fine. A height is given 2.1 if the height and diameter of the cylinder. So its cylinder's height is given 2.1 centimeter and its diameter is given 4 meter. So this is diameter 4 meter. So the radius is 2 meter. If diameter is 4 meter, radius is 2 meter because radius is half of the diameter. And the slant height is given of the top is 2.8. So in this I think everything they have given you. Slant height is also given. Find the area of the canvas of the top. So first thing is we have to find out the area of the tent, or we can say canvas, whatever. So its area will be curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder, because whatever the material will be required for making the tent, that will cover only its curved surface area. So curved surface area of cone is pi r L and the curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. Let's take common. So pi r is common. So in the bracket we have L plus 2h. Let's put its value. Pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 2. Slant height is 2.8 plus 2. Height is 2.1. So let's solve this. This is 44 upon 7. This is 2.1 into 2 is 2 ones are 2, 4.2. And in this we have to add 2.8. So adding 2.8, it will give 8 plus 2, 10, 4, 2, 6, 1, 7. So this is 7.0 after adding. So this 7 will cancel out with this 7. So we are left with 44. So 44 meter square is the area of the canvas. At the rate of rupees 500 meter square means we have to find out the cost. So cost of 1 meter square is rupees 500 because it is given at the rate of 500 per meter square, means for 1 meter square the cost is rupees 500. So cost for this much area, that is 44 meter square, will be 500 into 44. It will be in rupees. See, I can do this calculation orally. Whenever there are two zeros, put the zeros in the at the last, and 44 you have to multiply by 5. 5 4s are 20, 5 4s are 20, 22. 2200 means 22,000 is the cost required for making this canvas. Thank you.